Hi everyone, Sarah here, St. Rogers Active Showroom. So today I'm going to do a walk around on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is the 80th anniversary edition. Now it is pre-owned, but there's literally like 1,300 kilometers on this unit. So it's very new pre-owned, okay? So you're going to have this beautiful granite coloring on the vehicle. So it's kind of like a charcoal metallic with all these black details throughout, okay? You're going to have right here your adaptive cruise control sensor. So I'll do a little bit more information on that in the inside video. But coming around to the side here, you're also going to have the Scorpion tires now with the steel wheels, which is really nice. So those are 20 inches. Again, black detailing throughout, including the Grand Cherokee with the little 80th anniversary badging. So that's going to be on here, as it's also going to be on the seats. Now, like I said, this vehicle is pre-owned, but it is pretty much new. The mats aren't even on the vehicle. They're actually in the back still in the plastic, okay? Power seats, including that lumbar control right there. Power steering wheel. You obviously have your automatic windows, your automatic locks. You're also going to have some seat settings as well. So if you have a couple people in the household that drive, you can each have your own settings for your seats and the mirrors, which is pretty nice. Back seat right here, it is going to fold down, so if you do have any kind of cargo, I can't do it by myself. Anyway, it's going to fold down. It's going to give you that 60-40 split seating. So if you have some people in the car, but you also need to pick up some stuff, you're going to be able to do that. It does have that 115-volt converter, as well as heated seats in the second row there, okay? Key right here. You hit this twice, and it's going to open up that power tailgate for you. So again, doing all the work for you, okay? So again, these seats go down. You can kind of see the 60-40 split seating. Like I said, the mats are still in the plastic right there for you. You do have this ton of cover, so if you're kind of shopping, doing any kind of Christmas shopping, things like that, and you want to hide your parcels, you can do that with this, okay? We're going to have a little bit of storage right here, some hooks, obviously, as well as storage right underneath here on the sides, alongside your spare tire. This unit also comes with the hitch receiver as well as the wire and harness, so you are going to be able to tow with this Grand Cherokee as well. I'm going to show you some interior features, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned. I'm going to walk you through some interior features of this vehicle. But first, let's start with the key fob. So obviously, as you saw on the walk around video on the outside, twice to open the tailgate, but this also comes with a built-in remote start. So make sure you hit that lock button and then 1, 2, and it's going to actually start the vehicle for you. With that being said, it also is a proximity key, so you don't actually have to have it out anytime. So you can open your doors, unlock them, lock them, that kind of thing, as long as the key is on your person. Bag, purse, backpack, pocket, whatever. Push button start right here, okay? So as you saw, you obviously have a lot of power options, including the seat saver, but let's talk about the steering wheel right here. So as it is a power steering wheel, which is really nice. These buttons right here is going to change your instrument cluster just right in front of you, so you're going to be able to customize it how you want. You're obviously Bluetooth controls, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto. This right here, little VR, is actually going to attach to Siri as well, which is pretty cool if you have an iPhone. Cruise control, adaptive cruise control. So adaptive cruise control, if your cruise control is on, you're coming up to a vehicle kind of pretty quickly, your vehicle will actively brake for you, kind of taking all that kind of guesswork out of it for you. Behind here, you got some audio controls, as well as some source controls right here, just on the back of the steering wheel, making a true hands-free kind of vehicle. You're always automatically going to be four-wheel drive, okay? So it's actually going to be doing the smart technology thinking for you there. Or you can actually select your terrain, what you'd like to be on, okay? Also really nice, you're going to have obviously the hill assist if you are towing anything, okay? Obviously, with the cup holders, you're also going to have a little bit of storage right here. You got the 12 volts. You also have a couple USBs and auxiliary cord as well. In here, it's obviously a two-tiered center console. You're also going to have a 12 volt right there, okay? It lights up as well, so if it is kind of dark, you're still going to be able to see what's in your middle console. Your glove box is lockable, okay, which is really nice. So to get that key out, there's just a little slide button right here on the back, and this whole thing comes out, and that's how you would unlock and lock it, okay? Going into the center console here, the screen and everything. So you're going to have dual climate, which is really nice. You're also going to be able to take off your parking controls if you would like. Parallel park, it's actually going to help you parallel park if you need some assistance with that. Your auto start and stop is always going to be on unless you turn it off. If you're in an idle position, it's actually going to cut the engine. It's going to save you a ton of money on fuel, okay? Sport on, okay, so what that means is if you need a little bit more power, if you're hauling or if you're kind of merging and things like that, sport is always good to have on with that. You can also do that just with the economy off, so that actually uses all the cylinders all the time, okay? So if you don't like buttons, you also have the touch screen right here. So see, the climate is off, but when it's on, you're going to be able to control that as well. You have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius radio, as well as your Bluetooth, okay? Tons of presets, 12 presets on each station. Controls here, heated seats, ventilated seats for the driver and the passenger, heated steering wheel, as well as the backer camera you can actually access even if you're not in reverse, which is pretty nice. Got a ton of options. So this does come with the Guardian subscription, okay? Wireless hotspot, projection manager, assist, so if like you were stuck or in an accident or anything like that, it's going to show your off-road pages. It's going to attach your navigation to your traveling system, so if you're kind of on the way, it's actually going to help say like, hey, there's an accident, you might want to reroute, kind of thing. It's going to be very, very efficient for you. Your navigation, you can set your home, set your work, easy to use, and obviously great for any kind of traffic knowledge that you would need. Tons of settings that you can change. Literally, this vehicle has 1,300 kilometers on it. It's a great unit. If you want to know more or take it for a test drive, give us a shout here at the dealership, 780-458-8660.